Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can enhance your Spotify playlist. And what that enhance button means is that Spotify will find similar songs that you already have in your playlist. So I'm just going to go to my retro playlist here, and then I'm just going to select enhance. As you can see, it will recommend songs that you don't have. As you can see, the one that has a Spotify logo here, it'll add to this playlist, and the recommendations will be like similar to the songs you already have in this playlist. As you can see, like these like retro songs and stuff, it's going to be different for all of it. And then if you want to turn it off, just select this button again, and it will delete all of the songs that Spotify recommended to you. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!